Today we are going to make decorative sticks. For making decorative sticks we need any type of paper like tinted paper, craft papers, tissue papers, kite papers, then scissors and Fevicol. Today we are going to use old notebook papers to do decorative sticks. We are going to make stick first. Roll from this corner to this corner. Make it thin and apply glue. Your stick is ready. For first stick, we are going to take this A4 size paper, fold in the middle and make two parts. Two parts I am going to keep on each other. Fold it properly. And we are going to give small cuts. First we are going to fold this side. Means we can understand till which line. This line we are going to give cuts like this till the end. After cutting, open it. After cutting, we are going to keep this stick on it which we have made and roll it properly like this and give this effect to your whole paper. After completing this, we are going to separate those two papers. Apply glue to opposite side. After applying Fevicol, we are going to stick this once properly, then slant. Repeat same procedure. Apply glue, and where we finished our paper, from there only we are going to start and stick this. See children, we completed our first decorative stick. Now see how we can make with color papers. For second decorative stick, we need again two A4 size paper and I have made one stick for it. So now children, fold both the papers in the middle like this and fold it. So you will get an idea till what line we have to cut. Then children, cut it like this till the line from the folded edge. After cutting, we are going to separate both the papers. Then children, open it. We fold it like this. Now we are going to stick opposite side this glue. Keep 2 finger distance from this side and apply glue. Then this end we are going to keep here like this on 2 finger distance. We are not going to stick it edge to edge. Same we are going to do first another one. Press it properly. Then we are going to take our stick, apply glue over here and start rotating. when our first paper finished, then we are going to rotate this second one and rotate it till the end. Now children, we are going to make this stick with color papers also. So children, our decorative sticks are ready. We can arrange all sticks like this and enhance your flower pot.